ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. ಇವತ್ತು ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಟುಡೇ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಡೂ ಅ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್. 1ನೇ ತರಗತಿಯ ಸವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ಕಿನ ಒಂದು ಪಾಠಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಅಭ್ಯಾಸ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿಚ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬ್ಬಾಸ್ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಅಂಗಡಿ. Abbas Hannina Angadi. For this lesson we are going to do the exercise, and if you have not yet watched the lesson, I request you to watch the lesson. I leave the link here, so please watch the lesson video first. Amele you can come back to the activities immediately. Okay, so we'll start with the Abbas Hannina Angadi, the exercise part. Before starting, request you to take your textbook tagoli, pencil tagoli, eraser tagoli, earphone hakoli and sit in a quiet place. So we'll start. So first ಏನide, first we have a ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳನ್ನು ದೀಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿ, ಆಸ್ಕ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಅವರಿಂದ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದೆಮ್ ಉತ್ತರಗಳನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿಸಿ, ಮೇಕ್ ದಮ್ ಟು ಸೇ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ. ಸೊ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಬರೆಯಿಸಿಯನ್ನು ಮೇಕ್ ದಮ್ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶನ್ ಏನು, ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣನ ಮಗಳ ಹೆಸರೇನು? ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣನ ಮಗಳ ಇಸ್ ಅ daughter, ಹೆಸರೇನು? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ನೇಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣಾಸ್ ಡಾಟರ್? ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣನ, here is the apostrophe s, ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣಾಸ್. Okay, what is the name of the, I'm sorry, this is my Siri. ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣನ ಮಗಳ ಹೆಸರು ಗೌರಿ. So in the place of ಏನು you will write ಗೌರಿ. ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣನ ಮಗಳ ಹೆಸರು ಗೌರಿ. We'll go to the second question. ಒಂದು ಪರಂಗಿ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಬೆಲೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಒಂದು is a one, ಪರಂಗಿ ಹಣ್ಣು is papaya fruit, ಬೆಲೆ is a cost, ಎಷ್ಟು is a how much. How much is one parangi hannu? Find the answer. In the place of ಎಷ್ಟು you have to write the answer, whether it is 5 rupees, 5 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, 30 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, whatever is the answer, write in the place of ಎಷ್ಟು. So it's very simple one, you will get the answer of a papaya. Okay, so everything will remain same. In the place of ಎಷ್ಟು you will write the answer, 10 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, 1 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, 20 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, 30 ರೂಪಾಯಿ, whatever it is. Next, ಯಾವ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಬೆಲೆ 3 ರೂಪಾಯಿ? So which fruit cost is 3 rupees? 3 ರೂಪಾಯಿ is a 3 rupees. ರೂಪಾಯಿ is basically rupees. Okay, ಯಾವ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಬೆಲೆ, which fruit is 3 rupees? So find out the answer. In the place of ಯಾವ you have to write the name of the fruit. For example, ಪರಂಗಿ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಬೆಲೆ, ಕಿತ್ತಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಬೆಲೆ. Just make sure in the place of ಯಾವ you will write the name of the fruit, and remaining everything copy as it is. We'll go with the fourth question and the last question. ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣ ಎಂತಹ ಮೂಸಂಬಿ ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರು? ಸೊ ಶಂಕರಣ್ಣ ಎಂತಹ, ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೂಸಂಬಿ ಹಣ್ಣನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿದರು? ಈ ಆಸ್ಡ್ ಸಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಮೂಸಂಬಿ ಹಣ್ಣು. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಮೂಸಂಬಿ ಹಣ್ಣು ಈ ಆಸ್ಡ್? He asked for the good ಮೂಸಂಬಿ ಹಣ್ಣು, right? So what do you say for good? Find out the answer and write it down. Okay na? So in the place of ಯಾವ, sorry, in the place of ಎಂತಹ is a what kind of. Okay, you will write the answer. Remaining all you have to copy as it is. Okay, I'm sorry for the background noise. ಇಲ್ಲಿ they have given the picture, ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಚಿತ್ರವನ್ನು ನೀಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. The picture is being provided. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಅವುಗಳ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿಸಿ. Ask the children and get the answer from them, and ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ in the given place ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ, make them to write. Now I'll say the answer, you have to write it down. Okay na? Banana is ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು, guava is ಚೇಪೆಕಾಯಿ or ಸೀಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು, ಸೀಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು. Okay, and I'll write it on the board, it will be easy for you. Okay, banana ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣು. Okay, just pause ಮಾಡಿ. Then ಸೀಬೆ or ಚೇಪೆಕಾಯಿ. Okay, next, custard apple is ಸೀತಾಫಲ. Next, orange is ಕಿತ್ತಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣು. Okay, next, pomegranate. So pomegranate, I'll write it here. Okay, ದಾಳಿಂಬೆ. Okay, next ಏನಿದೆ, next is mango. Mango is ಮಾವಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು. Then I have last one, papaya, parangi hannu. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ಮತ್ತೆ 7. Just make a note of all these things. Okay, now pause and write it down. These are the names of the fruit. Next, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಅಂಕಿಗಳನ್ನು, ಅಂಕಿ is a numbers, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿಸಿ, make the children to say it. ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ, let them write it in the words. Okay na? So first one, ಒಂದು. Okay, so in the first one ನಿಮಿಷ ಇರಿ. Okay, we don't have it. Okay, I'm sorry. Yes, I got it. Okay, so first one, ಒಂದು, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. So next one, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿಸಿ. So here the pada is a word, make the children to say it. ಅಂಕಿಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ. So you have to write it in the numbers. 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10. So first 5, I am not giving the answer. You have to write it down. I have pronounced the answers. You have to try to write it down. Okay. Next, ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಹೇಳಿಸಿ. So ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಪದ is like a fill up the blanks. So whatever is a blank, so make the children to say it. ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ. So the given blank ಅಲ್ಲಿ you have to write. So here the answer will change for every person. Okay, so let me read the first one. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ is a question. ಉತ್ತರ is a answer. ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, ನಿನಗೆ ಯಾವ ಹಣ್ಣು ಇಷ್ಟ? ನಿನಗೆ, for you, ಯಾವ, which, ಹಣ್ಣು, fruit, ಇಷ್ಟ, like, which fruit do you like? So ನನಗೆ, for me, dash ಹಣ್ಣು ಇಷ್ಟ. I like apple. ನನಗೆ ಸೀಬೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಇಷ್ಟ. ನನಗೆ ಬಾಳೆ ಹಣ್ಣು ಇಷ್ಟ. So whatever the answer here, just blankly write your favorite fruit. Okay, so in the blank write it your favorite fruit. It can be apple ಇರ್ಬೋದು, guava ಇರ್ಬೋದು, pomegranate ಇರ್ಬೋದು, grapes ಇರ್ಬೋದು, whatever it is, write it here. Okay, if you don't know the answer, comment in the comment section so that I can give you the answer in Kannada. Okay, next one, second question. ನೀನು ಯಾವ ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರುವೆ? ನೀನು, you, ಯಾವ ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು, which fruits, ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ, in the tree, ನೋಡಿರುವೆ, you have seen. Which fruits have you seen in the tree? So in the place of blank, ನಾನು, I, ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು, for example, ಬಾಳೆಹಣ್ಣುಗಳನ್ನು ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರುವೆ. I have seen the banana in the tree. So every person, the answer will change. Third question, ನೀನು ನೋಡಿರುವ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಾತ್ರದ ಹಣ್ಣು ಯಾವುದು? ದೊಡ್ಡ is a big one, ಗಾತ್ರ is a size. So which is the big fruit that you have seen? ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಾತ್ರದ ಹಣ್ಣು, big size fruit, which is that? ನಾನು ನೋಡಿರುವ, the one I have seen, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಾತ್ರದ ಹಣ್ಣು, the big size fruit is which one? ನಾನು ನೋಡಿರೋದು jackfruit, ಹಲಸಿನ ಹಣ್ಣು. I have seen the big jackfruit. Okay, so write down your favorite fruit. Okay na? Next one, ನೀನು ನೋಡಿರುವ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಗಾತ್ರದ ಹಣ್ಣು ಯಾವುದು? So ದೊಡ್ಡ opposite is ಚಿಕ್ಕ, small. So which is the fruit, the smallest fruit that you have seen? So ನಾನು ನೋಡಿರುವ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಗಾತ್ರದ ಹಣ್ಣು ಉಟಿ ಆಪಲ್. So which is your fruit that you have seen, the smallest fruit? ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ? Write it down here. Okay, next one, ಮುಂದೆ ಕೆಲವು ಹೇಳಿಕೆಗಳನ್ನು ಅಂಕಣದಲ್ಲಿ ನೀಡಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅಂಕಣ is a column. They have given few statements in the column. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಂದ ಉತ್ತರ ಹೇಳಿಸಿ, make the children to say the answer. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಜಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆಯಿಸಿ, make them to write it. Okay, so ಕ್ರಮ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ, the first one is a serial number. ವಿವರಣೆ is a information, explanation. ನನ್ನದು is mine. ಗೆಳೆಯನದು, my friend. So here you are getting an answer for yourself and for your friend also. So first one, I'll say the question so that you can write the answer for yourself. Ask the same question with your friend and write that answer in the fourth column, the last column. Okay, ಇಷ್ಟವಾದ ಹಣ್ಣು, favorite fruit. Second, ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿರುವ ಹಣ್ಣು, the fruit which is being seen in the tree, on the tree. ಮರದಲ್ಲಿ, in the tree, on the tree. Okay, ದೊಡ್ಡ ಗಾತ್ರದ ಹಣ್ಣು, big size fruit. ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಗಾತ್ರದ ಹಣ್ಣು, small size fruit. The same questions here they have made it in a tables. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಸೂಕ್ತ ಬಣ್ಣ ತುಂಬಿಸಲು ಹೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೂಕ್ತ is a suitable color. So which is the first fruit and the second fruit? You know the fruit ಅಲ್ವಾ? So color the fruit. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಅಬ್ಬಾಸ್ ಹಣ್ಣಿನ ಅಂಗಡಿ ಆಕ್ಟಿವಿಟಿ. ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆ ಅನ್ಕೋತೀನಿ. ಡೌಟ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಡೂ ಲೆಟ್ ಮೀ ನೋ. ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಮೇಲ್ ಟು yashasvikannadavani@gmail.comಗೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಮೇಕ್ ಶೋರ್ ಯು ವಾಚ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸಸೈಸಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ಲೆಸನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಫಿನಿಶ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್, ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಸವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ಪ್ಲೇ ಲಿಸ್ಟ್ which is available in Yashaswi Kannada Vaani. Also share with your friends who are struggling to understand the lessons and the activity. So thank you so much. I'll meet you all with very soon with few more videos anta helta. Thank you so much. Dhanyavada. Namaskara. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book. Along with, also follow my Instagram page to get the Spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like ಮಾಡಿ, share ಮಾಡಿ, subscribe ಮಾಡಿ. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification, so that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.